All right, so it's Monday. We're just getting started for the week. We're gonna do a quick cleanup of all the dryers to show you how fast we can do it. We always get comments like, you can do it faster, just use your hand. Well, that's what we're gonna do right now. You ready, Kathy?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. All right, one done. Number 2. All right, good enough. All right, 2's done. On number 3. You're trying to go fast. This is what we do, several times a day usually. Sometimes we let them build up, but not today. We're rolling. 3's done. Number 4. How we doing? Oh yeah, that one was easy. All right, 4 is done. Toss them. All right. So these new Big Berthas, hand you the broom. Just give what you can out of there. Pull it to the front and then. All right. Ooh, that's a pretty big load. So just on that bad boy. Oh my Lord. Okay. All right. That's good. All right. Next one. There you go. Another broom. Oh yeah. That's a pretty big pile of lint. One of these. What do you think of that? All right. So that's 6 done. 4 to go. These are getting lighter. Good, good. All right. All right. 7. There you go. That's a nice one. They always collect at the back. Anybody know why? Comment. All right, 8. 2 left. Are you getting tired of it? That one's good. These are new screens. These are easy. Easy for me to say, right? I'm just holding the camera. Okay, number 9. I'll take that. Number 10. Let's see. Oh, this one's hardly been used. This is brand new. It's probably only had 2 loads in it. All right, look at you. All right, 10, Kathy. How do you like that?
Lovely.
Here's a picture of everything we got. Here's a glimpse at it.